Hi there, it's Babs and I'm just going to record a very quick demo of how to use the new Pinterest pin icon that I can't remember what it's called right now, but so what you need to do is open up your Pinterest app on your phone and then simply click on the little camera in the top. If I bring that in, that little camera up there, click on that and then it'll go looking. And you'll see it's got these funky little circles, and then it just takes you straight through to the particular board that you have linked to using this graphic. There are so many ways that we can use this. It is awesome. I'll be posting more next week. Until then, bye for now.